Good morning, students. Let's see the continuity of tautomerism in organic chemistry. Just a minute. We are discussing about isomerism. Okay. In that, in structural isomerism, the last isomerism, tautomerism. Okay. We already discussed about the definition, some examples also. Now see how the mechanism takes place. For JEE NEET, very important. This concept. In tautomerism, what happened? Keto group is converted enolic form, or enolic form converted as keto form. Am I right? So for that, what are the conditions? Keto compound we need, and at least one alpha hydrogen at alpha carbon, or the molecule in the conjugation. I will explain what is conjugation. Okay, let's see. Suppose there is 3 hydrogens. This is the keto functional group. This is alpha carbon. This is also alpha carbon. So alpha carbon consists at least one alpha hydrogen. Clear? Now what happened? This bond shifted to here. This bond on this, and this hydrogen towards oxygen. Either in presence of base or acid, base or acidic medium. Then carbon is there. This carbon consists of how many hydrogens? One hydrogen. This bond shifted to between these two carbons. So C, one bond is break down here. Then O, this hydrogen shifted towards oxygen, OH, and this bond is as usual, CH3. Enol form, keto form. Keto, again it can reversible. Okay, clear up to everyone? So remember, hybridization of this carbon is sp3. sp3 hybridization. Why? Because all are single bonds, am I right? The carbon with all single bonds in sp3 hybridization. Okay, clear? And next one more method here. What is molecule in the conjugation? Conjugation means here, let's see some example. C double bond O CH3 bond CH double bond CH bond CH3. CH3 can write as like this, CH3. So R CO R dash, keto group it is, keto. But here it is alpha, this is also alpha. Okay, here it is pi bond, double bond is called as pi bond, sigma bond, pi bond. Alternate sigma and pi bond is there, that is called conjugation. Let's see. Pi bond, clear, and again single bond, double bond, single bond. Am I right? Clear ma? Double bond, single bond, double bond. These phenomena is called as conjugation. Double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, like that. It is keto group, clearly. So hybridization of this carbon is also sp3 here. In this condition, this hydrogen, it is not a alpha. It is not a alpha, beta, gamma. But the molecule is in conjugation. The molecule is in conjugation, even though this carbon is not a alpha carbon and that hydrogen is not a alpha hydrogen. This is alpha. Okay. But this hydrogen can participate in keto-enol tautomerism due to the conjugation. So now this hydrogen shifted here, this here, and this here. And this hydrogen, these oxygen attract this hydrogen. Okay. Now let's see reversible, both are same. Okay. In presence of OH minus or H plus, what happened? Here this is the carbon. How many hydrogens it consists? 2 hydrogens. So this bond between these 2 carbons. So write CH and one bond is breakdown here. CH and this bond in between these 2 carbon. C and OH, this hydrogen at this oxygen, bond CH3. Okay, clear all of you? So are you able to see this one? Clear ma up to students? Simple. This hydrogen here, one bond is breakdown. This bond here, this bond here. Bond can migrate. Okay. So this is enol, am I right? Double bond OH, enol form. This is keto form. Okay. Keto form. So when the molecule in conjugation, that is keto compound, it is also participate in keto-enol tautomerism. Even it is not alpha carbon and alpha hydrogen, alpha, beta, gamma. Even though it is gamma carbon and it is gamma hydrogen, it is participate in keto-enol tautomerism due to the conjugation. Conjugation means alternate double bond, single bonds. Double bond, single bond, double bond. Okay. This bond migrate in between these 2 carbon. This double bond migrate here. This double bond on oxygen. This oxygen gain the hydrogen. Okay. It becomes enolic form. Okay. So tautomerism takes place in presence of acidic medium or basic medium. Okay. Keep it in your mind. Now how this mechanism takes place? So very important, expecting bit in JEE EAMCET. Okay. Now mechanism, let's take one example. CH3, C double bond O, CH3, either in presence of OH minus or H plus. Okay, clear? So this is alpha carbon. This CH3 consists here 3 hydrogens. So 2 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen I can write like this for my convenience. Okay. Now this is here and this bond is here. This hydrogen moves towards oxygen. Okay. Now what is the expecting product? CH2 double bond, C bond, OH bond CH3. Okay. Enol form, keto form. In both medium, acidic medium and basic medium, either basic medium. Now mechanism takes place in presence of base. How the reaction takes place in presence of base? So right, mechanism in presence of base. How reaction takes place in presence of base? That is called mechanism. Okay. So here take the first step, that is CH2 and this is H, am I right? C double bond O, CH3. Listen students very carefully, very important. Okay. Now in presence of base, just we add OH minus, which is called base, basic medium. This has minus, OH minus, hydroxyl ion, OH minus charge. Now this bond is break down, this bond shift on oxygen. In this case, carbon gain minus charge and this hydrogen is positive ion. These bond electrons moves towards carbon. There is 2 electrons. Bond means 2 electrons. Okay. That electrons moves towards carbon. So carbon getting minus. So the arrow mark side is minus and then other side is positive. And it is positive. Okay. So now this is minus and this positive. There is attraction between these positive and negative. And OH minus and H plus eliminated as H2O. Minus H2O means it removed from the reaction. H plus and OH minus removed as water molecule. H plus and OH minus as water molecule. Then remaining CH2 minus, am I right? CH2 minus charge on this carbon and C double bond O CH3. CH3. This is slow step. So this minus is called as carbanion. Carbon when process negative charge, then the ion is called as carbanion. Carbanion. Okay? Carbanion. Okay? So from keto compound, formation of carbon ion is very slow step. Slow step. This reaction is, this step is slow step. It is takes place very slowly. Okay. So remember this. This step is slow step is, that means formation of carbanion from keto compound is called as rate determined step. Rate determined step. Note that point. Formation of carbon ion is slow step and this step is called as rate determined step. Rate means here speed of reaction. We can able to calculate the speed of reaction in the slow steps only. So slow step is called as rate determined step. So how can we determine the speed or rate of reaction? Speed, is it takes slow or speed means that is rate with respect to time. Okay, with respect to time, that is depends on slow step of the reaction. So slow step of the reaction is called as rate determined step. In this step we can calculate the speed of the reaction or rate of the reaction. Okay, clear? So now formation of carbanion is called as rate determined step or slow step in the mechanism of ketonal tautomerism in presence of base. Is it clear? This is carbanion. In the slow step carbanion is formed. And here it can also equilibrium. This and this both are reversible. Now this minus in between here, this is on oxygen. Okay. Now what about this one? CH2 and double bond here and CO minus and CH3. CH3. This is called enolate ion. Enolate ion. Okay, enolate ion. So you can extend. After that we can react with H2O. Water. This is the structure of water. You know, H2O structure it is water. So now this bond on this oxygen and it get minus, it get plus. Okay. This O minus interact this H plus. Okay. Then it becomes CH2 double bond C bond OH bond CH3. Here OH minus is eliminated, right? OH minus. So OH minus is removed and this H plus attack on this O minus and it gives OH minus. Now what is this? Is the product enol. This is fast step. Formation of enol is called as fast step. Okay, note it down. Formation of enol in basic medium from enolate ion is called fast step. In fast step we cannot determine the rate or speed of reaction. Okay. Now tell me, formation of carbanion is called as rate determinant step. Formation of enol form is called as fast step. Fast step. So let's see. So the first step, formation of carbanion. Here let us take keto compound which has alpha hydrogen. In the first step, in presence of basic medium, this bond is here, so it gets minus, it gets plus. So this OH minus attack this H plus and eliminated as H2O, clear, and we get CH2 minus as usual. Now this is carbanion, this is very slowest step, so it is called rate determinant step. Rate determinant step means we can calculate the speed or rate of reaction. Okay, then this minus migrate in between these two carbons, so here it is double bond, and this is migrate on oxygen, O minus. Further we treated with oxygen water molecule, in that this bond is shifted on oxygen, so it get minus, okay, and it is H plus. This OH minus eliminated and this H plus attack on O minus, then it gives O minus and H plus OH. Okay, this is enol. So keto compound directly converted as enol during this process. This is the mechanism. Okay, so very, very important. So this is the mechanism in basic medium. Now what about in acidic medium? The same reaction, that is CH2H, this is keto, and C double bond O, CH3, okay, and now it is in presence of acid, that means H plus, acid means H plus, okay. Now in this step what we get, CH2 double bond OH CH3. This is enol form, double bond OH, and this is keto form. Keto form converted as enol, am I right? Okay, let's see how the mechanism takes place in presence of mechanism in the presence of acidic medium, that is H plus, in the presence of acidic medium. Okay, so let's see the mechanism. In the first step, CH2 and H, this is alpha carbon, this is alpha hydrogen, keep it in our mind. Okay, and C double bond O, I can write this like both are same, both are correct, either upward, down. So first treated with H plus. So in oxygen it consists two lone pair of electrons, you know. Oxygen consists two lone pair of electrons. Okay. Now this oxygen attract this H plus due to the lone pair of electrons having negative charge. Due to negative charge of this oxygen, it attract the H plus due to lone pair. Okay. So oxygen always with two bonds. Okay. Let's see. Here it is CH3, I can write CH3, and bond C double bond O. On oxygen now hydrogen is added. So generally oxygen with two bonds only. Oxygen generally two bonds only, but third bond is added with hydrogen. So instead of that we have to keep one positive on oxygen. Keep it in our mind. Oxygen generally form two bonds with any atom. But here oxygen form three bonds, the third bond with hydrogen. So here three bonds are there, one bond is excess. Instead of that we have to add one positive charge here. Keep it in our mind. Okay. And what about the remaining one? That is CH3. This is fast step. Okay. This step is called as fast step. Okay. Clear, ma? Let's see now. Here I can write this CH2 and H, am I right? Okay. Now this bond is here in between and this bond is on here. Okay. So here one bond is breakdown. This positive is neutral. This electron shifted to positive means it becomes neutral, 0, and one bond is breakdown, and this bond is here, and this H eliminated as H plus, okay, as H plus. So the remaining one CH2 double bond, C one bond is breakdown, OH bond CH3. Enol form, am I right? Enol form, enol. This is what about keto form? Keto form. This is fast step, this is slow step. Slow step. Slow step means rate determined step. Rate determined step. So formation of enol is called as rate determined step. Note down here. Clear, students, up to this bond here, and this is H plus is eliminated, then we get enol. Okay, note here 3 important points. Formation of enol is slow step and is called, and it is rate determined step. Very, very important. Okay, clear, ma? So we can able to calculate the speed of reaction in this step, not here. Okay, these are the two in the both acidic medium, basic medium. Enol is generated, but in basic medium the mechanism is different. That is first formation of carbanium, but here this H plus attack on oxygen. Okay, it gives one positive ion. Later this migration takes place and loss of H plus, we get enol. These are the two different mechanisms. Remember it. Okay. Sorry, following students, very, very important topic. Okay, tautomerism. So we will continue tomorrow the next topic. So stability of enol form, enol, keto and enol form in this concept only. So which compound is stable, keto form or enol form? What factors are decide that stability? We will discuss on tomorrow. Okay. Thank you very much, students.